Discover the 10 best solar panel grants and schemes available to UK homeowners in 2026. From free installations to ongoing payments, this countdown covers everything you need to save money and go green. From Axiom Eco Homes. At number 10, the Northern Ireland Solar PV Grant offers up to £2,500 for solar panel installation. You must include a battery storage system and use an MCS-certified installer. Rank 9 is the Welsh Government Warm Homes Nest Scheme, giving up to £4,000 for solar panels. It is means-tested, so your household income must be below £30,000. 8th is the Home Energy Scotland interest-free loan of up to £5,000. You can combine this with the £6,000 grant to cover most or all of your solar installation cost. At number 7, 0% VAT on solar panels is available across the UK until March 2027. This saves you 20% on the total installation cost, including panels, inverter and battery storage. Rank 6 is the Smart Export Guarantee, which pays you between 5 and 15 pence per kilowatt-hour for electricity you export to the grid. This ongoing income can last over 20 years. Number 5 is another look at the Welsh Nest Scheme, offering up to £4,000. It is available only to homeowners in Wales with a household income below £30,000. At number 4, the ECO4 scheme provides free or heavily subsidised solar panels for low-income households in Great Britain. Eligibility is based on receiving benefits like pension credit or universal credit. Rank 3 is the Home Energy Scotland grant of up to £6,000 with no repayment needed. It is available to all homeowners in Scotland regardless of income, making it the most accessible major grant. Number 2 is the powerful combination of the Home Energy Scotland grant and interest-free loan, giving you up to £11,000 towards your solar installation. This can cover most or all of the cost. Topping the list at number 1 is the 0% VAT on solar panels, saving you 20% on the entire installation cost. This applies to panels, inverter and battery storage, and is available UK-wide until March 2027. For a free, no-obligation quote and to check your eligibility for any of these schemes, visit axiomecohomes.co.uk today.